Right, let's take apart the Pulsar Mini. We'll check and see what it's all about. We'll see if anything's changed at MCU maybe, see what the numbers are any different. A few people have been saying we've been seeing some issues. But not expected to be the same as the medium one, which we've already done a teardown of. The adhesive is not the best on these again still, so I think they're identical. They're the same skates, so you're going to have problems getting them on and off. They won't stick very well. No screws at the front, only the rear, it's good to see. I always leave the sensor scale every time. See, right, got no screws in it. That's what I never understand. Like, this is so well built, it does not need the screws. Right. I mean, yes, it kind of, you can flex the back a little bit, sure, but you could do a clip in there, no problems. Not much to this, right? It looks pretty simple. I'm going to have to look at the other teardown to remember what switches are in it and stuff. On the medium, whether anything's changed. So Haranu black shell white dots. A little bit disappointing they haven't got KL8s on the sides. Don't know why still not doing that, but we always say that. Lifty uppy cable, nice. We've got dogleg switches if you fancy changing them over. Easy enough though, and they've also trimmed off, which makes it a little bit more awkward, the posts. Your little side nipple. Know what we're looking like inside. Some weight removal here. People just crush the back of it. I don't understand why they have these plates, but must be a reason. Maybe it bends or something. Same screw. Pretty sure it's identical. We'll have to compare it to the M2, the medium one, but these look very, very similar. 2.5 Gs. Pretty basic side button connection. It's pretty solid to be fair, but this is so small. Like, come on Pulsar, make them bigger. Get the room, just a tiny man. Basic inside, but not bad. Good construction from Pulsar. Still got quite rigid, even though there's nothing in it. But similar to the, well, it's the same as the, as we keep saying, it's the same as the medium. Here's a 300 milliamp. Got 5 screws in the PCB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's quite a lot in there, to be fair. Same old. Nothing seems to be too different in a minute. Base like the magic from Pulsar. There's quite a bit on the base to take away still. We can definitely check some out on this. What the X2 means, I've seen that all over it. It's about like a Razer do. They put the project name in the bottom of the PCB and the bottom of the bases. It's X2 then. .5. Well, there you go. Bit of saving there. Same scroll. No surprise. Definitely showing some components, which is good. So the PCB, interesting to see if it's smaller. Working a gold TTC encoder, KL8s, standard. You can see they put a different encoder onto the white one. No, I think it's a 9mm. Well, I'll look properly in a sec, but it's close, 8 and 9. 33.95, cheers. Remember if they put a different one in it. We're rocking a MCU. What's the CPU? It's a PWA 3395M T6QU. So I can't read the front one, I can read the back ones, which starts from the right, so going backwards basically. The bottom one's like 022C. F59 maybe. Best I can do, can't properly see it. What we're interested in, see if we can put it in mice. I can't remember what the length is. I'll have to go back and compare my Teardown on YouTube. It's been edited, you can see all these measurements. If you want to compare it, if you've got one you want to check out yourself, place to go. 0.8mm PCB, nice.